Okay, look at this mess. So this is the first time I've disassembled a power side view telescopic mirror. So it was a pretty bumpy start. I did break the convex mirror. That's impossible to avoid because of how it's manufactured. And I did manage to not break this one, so save a few bucks. Then I took all this stuff off. And then realized that I didn't really need to take all this stuff off, and all I really needed to do was unplug these ends and take the I did that. Take the telescopic assembly off, and then the gears. This just slides up and down the track, or the rack, I should say. And you can just slide this thing off in order to get the escutcheon back on over this. So you can put this on, slide the escutcheon over it, it snaps into place, and then put that on. I believe that's how that works. So, whoops. Yeah, so that's the disassembly. I went too far. I didn't have to go that far. Made things more difficult for myself. Have a great day.